Okay, hi friends, Pam Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here. And so I wanted to show you what I got for Christmas that I'm going to be working on, and I thought you might like to see it. So I ended up getting the Happy Planners. I got the this one that's Leave a Little Sparkle As You Go, which is Minnie Mouse, and I love Minnie Mouse. Most of you know I love Minnie Mouse. In fact, I would like to be Minnie Mouse. If I was thinner, I might even go down to California, and because that's the next, we're in Oregon, and I would love to be Minnie Mouse. Love Minnie Mouse. So I got this one. My husband got me this for Christmas. And is she adorable or what? So anyhow, this is my Happy Planner that I'm going to put together. And it has all the months. And then after it has the month, it has the week. Every week. And it's that way for each one. This is unmarked, so it doesn't have the dates and stuff in it. So one of the things that hubby got me, I'll show you all this stuff he got me, it was so fun, is I needed to have some of the stickers that had dates. So, okay, so this one has letters and numbers and the months, all the different months, and some more stickers and the months again. So I'll be able to fill all of those in. And then I can show you some of the other ones. Of course, then I got this little bitty one that had little tiny letters and numbers and such. He also got me the Minnie and Mickey stickers. Oh, isn't she adorable? Look at those. That is so cute. So that's fun. I got this, which I'm not really sure what this is. Let's open it. All these lights are causing me. Okay, come on. You can do it. There we go. Okay, so this, Find Joy in the Ordinary. Oh, it's a little pot. Oh, it's an envelope, actually. Isn't that cute? It's a nice little envelope. Okay, and this is the same. This one has Mickey on it. This one had Mickey and Minnie. And of course, you know, they pop right in these. Those of you that don't know Happy Planners, they have these discs on them, and you can pull stuff right off of them. And then there's that one, and then, okay, then here's a big long one, and it's an envelope as well. Oh, that's cool. Keep receipts or whatever you want in that. And then I got some of these, and what are these? Let's see what these are as well. These are, oh, okay. So these go inside there, and they have little, oh, maybe they don't. What are they called? These are adhesive snap-in tabs. Adhesive snap-in tabs. Well, there you go. I didn't even know what that was, honestly. I still don't know what it is, but I'll figure it out. Oh, peel to reveal the adhesive, and then stick the back of a sticker sheet to the adhesive area. Well, isn't that interesting? So, I don't know, do you just keep stickers on it? Not sure what those are, but they look fun. Then I got these. These are just 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you would maybe just use those for 3 important things to do for the day. But I always really liked the little short ones that I could even keep notes on. I really like this one. I did Happy Planner before. I really like that a lot. And this time, I really needed to keep some contacts in my right in here. I do have, you know, have some in my phone, but I do need to have these readily available to me. So I was really happy to get this, the contacts. And then I got this because it holds the whole thing together, and it can put a pin in there. So let's take a look at those. Oh yeah, so that's cute. Either one. Yeah, let's just put this one on for fun. And it holds it together like that. And then you can put a pen or a pencil inside there. Yeah, so you have a pen or pencil readily available to you. And here's the pokey dotty one. So those are nice and matchy. And then I got one of these that's a bunch of different tabs that you can use for different things. These were all on clearance, so they were pretty cheap. And then I got to pick some of this stuff out myself, so that was way fun. So there's plenty of tabs, which tabs are not that hard to make, but that was pretty good. And then ended up buying some of these that you stick in the back of the book, or wherever you want. You can stick them in the back against the back, and it also holds pens and pencils. Let's see, pick one out and take a look at it, right? Well, let's see. Come on. Huh. I'll tell you what. Let us get the whole thing loose so we can get in there. Alright. And so these are all good colors. Okay, so there's just plenty of them too. Okay, yeah, you use this sticky thing and you stick it in the back of the book or wherever you want it. And then you can put your pens and pencils and different things in there. So that makes it really nice too. There's several of those, so that's fun. And then some extra paper that's, and I really like this because it's the dotted paper. Because last year I did the dotted planners. I really liked it a lot too. So this has Minnie and Mickey, of course. So fun. And there's 40 sheets in that. And then this one that had some more dates to be able to put in the calendar, which is so fun, right? And then, so this one is going to be, and see, they came with some too to go on each one of these tabs for January through February, through December. Then this one is going to be for our whole personal life and probably my husband's business, because what I did last time was when it was during the weekly things, I would do, you know, these two things, and then down here on this bottom one for each day, I would put my husband's business, his John Shepherd Construction, down here. So that's where I would put all his stuff that I needed to do each day. And so this one is for my personal and probably his business. We'll see. Then I got this one. Oh, is she adorable or what? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so, didn't realize it was on there. This one is Just Go With The Bow, it says. So cool. Okay, but this one, actually, sticky stuff. I'll get that all off in a minute. It comes with, only with 1, 2, 3 tabs. And then when you open it up, it's paper. It's just paper. Adorable. And then each tab has its own paper. But what I wanted to do with this one is to do my business, Pamela Shepherd Productions. Pamela Shepherd Productions. And so I'm going to be doing all different kinds of things for my business. And so what I need to do is I have to get the inserts for the calendar. Now, I actually printed some out that I can use. And then, of course, I have plenty of tabs to make, you know, January through December. and then the different other things that I'm going to do. So that's way cool too. I love that, and I certainly have plenty of paper to write down goals and what have you. Then I got a whiteout, because sometimes you want to white out different things off of the calendars. And then he got me some washi tape. How fun is that? It's so pretty. Aren't these pretty? So I really like these. I think they're fun. I think they go really well also. And then the last thing is some really fun colors of washi tape. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, how does this work? Well, I think this thing, does it slide off? Oh, it does. And what a lot of people do when they do these happy planners that I've been watching is they choose a word for the year that they use. So I kept thinking, what word would I use? What word would I use for this 2021? Well, I'm grateful for one thing, and I'm going to do a section I'm going to have one of the tabs that's a grateful journal, the things that I'm thankful for every day, because I'm thankful to be alive. I was so sick, and I didn't think I was going to make it. And so these are pretty. They're really good colors, and they're kind of, I think it's considered that grunge. What do they actually call this one, I wonder? Oh, here we go. 30 rolls of pastel washi tape. Yeah, it just says pastel washi tapes. But they're so pretty, and I think they're going to be really fun to use in here with different things. I'm not going to just do like Happy Planner stickers like a lot of people, because I love Shabby Chic, and I love things to do with Shabby Chic, and I love bling, and are these all exactly the same? No. See, there's like an orange, and pretty. So I'm going to do a lot of things that look Shabby Chic, but what I think I'm going to use for my word this year in my Happy Planner is joy. I kept coming back to the word joy, and I kept thinking, what brings you joy? And that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say my word is joy, and then I'm going to say, what brings you joy? Because I'll tell you what, your priorities change a lot when you think you're going to die. Everything changes. Life looks very different to you. And so I thought, what brings me joy? Some things we make too big of a deal out of them. We act like they're way bigger than they really are. That the whole situation's way bigger than it is. Not to say that I won't ever do that, in this next year, but I'll tell you what, my thoughts are very different. And when you think you're no longer going to live. I remember thinking the day that I thought, I'm not going to make it, I can't breathe. And I kept thinking, if they put me on the ventilator, they had me on oxygen, but I kept thinking, if they put me on the ventilator, I'm not going to make it, because most people get on the ventilator, it seems like they don't make it. And so I kept telling my niece that was the nurse, I said, don't let them put me on the ventilator, don't let them put me on it. And when I thought I was going to die with the COVID last month, but when I was laying there and I thought, I'm not going to make it, I kept thinking, well, I'll be with my mom and my sisters and my dad and my relatives, but I felt so bad because I didn't want to leave my children and my grandchildren and my husband and people that I love so much. I kept thinking, I remember how hard it was when my sister died. I don't want them to have a hard time with the loss. And it was very strange situation to be in when you honestly think you're not going to make it. But I'm so excited to do this. And I'll do another video where I get this started so you can actually see how I'm going to start this. And I'll decorate the January pages in my everyday one. And then I got to get my calendar to put in this one. But I thought I'll put the, January, February, March, and all through there. And then I'll I'll put, because today is the 1st and it's a Friday, so I'll put the numbers in there, and then I'm going to actually decorate this, I think. I think I'll get this going and get this decorated, and so we'll do this one, and then I'll have to get busy and put the numbers all on this here. But anyhow, so that's what I'm so excited about. So joy is going to be my word this year. Joy. What brings you joy? Because I think we would all be surprised that it doesn't take a whole lot to bring joy. You know, joy is it's not what you have that brings you joy. Joy comes within, and my grandbabies bring me joy. My children bring me joy. My husband. Just some of the simplest things bring me joy. I like cooking. I haven't done cooking since I've been so sick, but I did get up today and I swept in the living room and the kitchen, and I cleared off all the different stuff, and I folded the blankets and made them and the pillows fancy on the couch. I got pretty out of breath with all of it, but I'll tell you what, I'm getting better every single day, and I'm going to do good, and I'm going to survive. And anyhow, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and then there's a little bell beside it. If you'll click on that bell and say you want to see when I have a video up, that would be great. And if you like this video, maybe you could give me a thumbs up. And anyhow, so I will, Happy New Year to all of you. Happy 2021. How fun is that? So anyhow, we'll see all you good people later, and I'll get busy and do my January calendar for this. And then I've got a whole list of way cool things that you're going to love. While I was laying there on the couch, I wrote a ton of things down that would be so fun to do on my videos. And so anyhow, with that, I'm going to go, and you have a wonderful, wonderful Happy New Year today, and we'll see all you people later. God bless you all. Bye-bye.